Namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel Suman Healthline. Mental Health Nursing MCQ Part 2. Useful for licensed staff nurse, BN, nursing officer, MN or MSc nursing entrance exam. And today we'll be discussing on Mental Health Nursing MCQ Part 2. Question 1. A person see a rope as a snake. This condition is called A. Delirium, B. Derealization, C. Illusion, D. Hallucination. And right answer is C. Illusion. Rational. Delirium is a thought disorder. Derealization is mental state where people feel detached from the surrounding. Illusion is misinterpretation of stimulus. And hallucination is perception without stimulus. Question 2. In depression, there is deficiency of A. 5-HT, B. Dopamine, C. GABA, D. Acetylcholine. And right answer is A. 5-HT. Rational. A decreased level of 5-hydroxytryptamine has been found to be core pathological factor in person with depression. So, its deficiency leads to depression. Which of the following behavior pattern would a nurse mirror expect to observe in a client with OCD? A. Inflexible and lack of spontaneity. B. Submissive and clinging. C. Impulsive and unstable emotionally. D. Cheerful and careful. Right answer is A. Inflexible and lack of spontaneity. Rational. Submissive and clinging behavior is seen in dependent personality disorder. Impulsive and unstable emotionally is seen in the borderline personality disorder. Cheerful and careful personality is seen in narcissistic personality disorder. Question number 4. Among the following conditions, which one is treated with hypnotic drugs? A. Psychosis, B. Sleep disorder, C. Delusion, D. Hallucination. Right answer is B. Sleep disorder. Rational. Hypnotic drugs are used to treat sleep disorder. Question number 5. Chronic alcoholic patients are treated initially by A. Use of paraaldehyde, B. Use of hypnotics, C. Providing the high protein diet, D. IM injection of thiamine. Right answer is D. IM injection of thiamine. Rational. Parenteral administration of thiamine is considered the route of choice to replenish the thiamine store as rapidly as possible to prevent the deterioration of patient. Question 6. Rita is admitted in psychiatric ward, refused to eat breakfast by stating that food is poisoned. This kind of response is an example of A. Delusion, B. Hallucination, C. Illusion, D. Empathy. Right answer is A. Delusion. Rational. An error belief that is held without evidence and irrational is known as delusion. Question 7. The most common psychotherapy used to help person with obsession compulsion disorder is A. Flooding, B. Behavioral modification, C. Transaction therapy, D. Abrasion. Right answer is B. Behavioral modification. Rational. Behavioral modification is treatment approach based on the principle of operant conditioning that replaces undesirable behavior with more desirable behavior once through positive or negative reinforcement. Question 8. Which one of the following activity need to be restricted in a client with Parkinson's disease? A. Walking on the yard on cold winter day, sitting on the beach in sun on summer day, taking food item which is high in water content, D. Taking cold water bath. Right answer is B. Sitting on beach in the sun on summer day. Rational. The patient with Parkinson's should be advised to avoid the exposure to sun during summer because the patient are oversensitive to heat and they may be at the risk of hyperthermia. Question 9. In a client with substance abuse, which is the best indicator to assess the client progress in rehabilitation? A. Perform all activities of daily living independently. B. Number of drug-free days he has. C. Taking all prescribed drug on time. D. Writing to come for follow-up. Right answer is B. Number of drug-free days he has. Rational. Number of drug-free days is the best indicator to determine the progress of rehabilitation of a patient with substance abuse disorder, and maintenance of absenteeism from substance is the ultimate goal of de-addiction treatment. So the patient should have free number of days of substance abuse. Question 10. A 20-year young adult was diagnosed with dependent personality disorder. Which behavior is most likely to be evidence of ineffective individual coping? A. Avoiding the relationship. B. Showing interest in solitary activities. C. Recurrent self-destruction behavior. D. Inability to make choices and decision with advice. Right answer is D. Inability to make choices and decision with advice. Rational. Inability to make choices and decision without advice shows ineffective individual coping in dependent personality disorder. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Follow me on Facebook page Suman Healthline. For more video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you all. Love you.